Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm discussing mistakes models make when posing. So I'm Allie with NGM Modeling and I'm gonna jump right in here. First mistake that models make when they are posing is not creating angles in front of the camera. So I'm talking about moving your arms, bending your arms in ways that cause some slight or large angles is going to make you look different, is going to change the shot, really giving something for the photographer to work with. The next one is not taking some pictures smiling and not smiling. So you're gonna be serious in a lot of these pictures. It's okay, even if you're doing a high fashion shoot, to throw some smiles in there here and there. They may not be what they're looking for, but that's gonna give them also a little bit of versatility. You never know what's gonna work, and it's always better to give them more options, and it really doesn't take up much time to do that. So make sure that you're posing with and without smiles. Next one is don't move too quickly through the poses. First of all, that's a problem because you're moving too fast. It's going to make it really hard to capture. Second of all, if the photographer sees something that they really like and they want you to do again, you've moved so quickly through them that you're like, oh, I don't remember, what I did or how I posed, and it's going to be, then you got to go back. So you're going to hold up time if he's got to go back in the camera and look and pick out what it was that they wanted you to do. If you flow through them slowly and methodically, it's going to be way better and it's going to look really good in the pictures. Next one is you should listen for feedback from the photographer. So the photographer knows what's coming on the other side. So when they tell you, hey, if they say slow it down or relax or anything like that, any kind of feedback that you're giving, you should really listen to what they're saying because they're the person who's going to be conveying the product to the client. So make sure that you're paying attention to that and be open to constructive criticism that is going to help you anyways. Next one is you should ask questions between sets. Ask for feedback. If you're not being given feedback, it's okay to ask for feedback. Is this working? Is this not working? Would you like me to change something? Or do you think that this would work? It's okay to ask questions. So make sure that you are doing that. Those are basically the 5 things to think about or mistakes that models make when you are posing. I hope this video helps you guys out. Make sure that you subscribe to the video. Leave us a comment down below if you've made any of these mistakes while you are posing at a shoot. And don't forget to like the video. We'll see you on the next one, guys.